Maayong adlaw, ug malipayong Pasko sa tanan. On behalf of the entire EcoWeb family, we wish all our partner communities, supportive national government agencies, and local government units, network of CSOs and grassroots organizations, as well as our generous donors, sponsors, and volunteers, a joyful and bountiful holiday. 2025 is not easy, since many of us suffered from disasters, calamities, conflict, and uncertainties. But may these days ahead inspire us to be more committed and compassionate. For all those who experience loss and hardship, please know that you are not alone. At EcoWeb, we remain guided by one belief: hope grows when communities are supported to lead their own recovery, peace, and development. Your strength continues to inspire our service.
As we witness survivors helping survivors and communities leading their response and recovery, we believe to trust our strength and we remain stronger than any disaster.
As we continue to care for our environment, we manage to initiate the Abaca solar processing facilities and help communities have sustainable livelihoods while living harmoniously with nature.
As we continue to work with our partner indigenous peoples, let us remember that empowered communities with sustainable livelihoods will have strengthened stability, will maximize opportunities, and have greater confidence in shaping their future.
As we continue to see how faith, learning, and grassroots leadership in madrasas can nurture peace, we hope for stronger communities where compassion, cooperation, and mutual respect guide our everyday life.
As we invest in the children and youth, we not only invest in peace, but we also make our young partners feel supported, inspired, and empowered to dream and build a better future for the country.
From the SLR team,
From SLR team,
From the SLR team,
From the ECLR team,
from the SLR team,
From the ACLR team,
padayon ta sa pagtinabangay o pagbabarog uban sa mga komunidad, ilabi na sa panahon ng krisis.
From the Green Fiber Team, salamat sa pagsuporta sa mga komunidad na nag-atiman sa kinayahan ug nagpaligon sa ilang panginabuhian. Pinaagi sa Renewable Solutions sama sa Abaca Solar Processing Facility o Production Units. Mabuhay!
From the FPG Civic team, padayon ta sa pag-empower o pagpalig-on sa panginabuhian sa mga IP communities o sa ilang kaugmaon.
From the Madaris for Peace and Resilience Project Team, we share our wishes for peace, learning, and stronger communities. Tarostano, so ka pa magugupa, agu ka pa magadata, pumanisa.
In behalf of the Care for Peace team, salamat sa paghatag og suporta ug paglaom sa kabataan o kabatanunan pinaagi sa edukasyon.
From the entire EcoWeb family in solidarity with communities and guided by compassion, peace, hope, and love, we wish everyone the joy and blessings of Christmas and a grace-filled New Year.
Happy holidays and blessed New Year from EcoWeb family! Woo!